All right, let's do a quick update on the purple tomato plants. You may have bought some this spring, or you may not have, but you want to see how they're growing. And as a bonus, we have a few other things to harvest. So let's check it out. All right, so the plants are over 6 feet tall, if you could see them behind me in that last clip. And we got a whole bunch of tomatoes ready. So they have almost a brown appearance on the outside, but we'll harvest a few. And they are a smaller tomato, so like a cherry type tomato. That's my kid's hand there. And then we'll cut open a couple so you can see what they look like on the inside. And this plant has quite a few also ready to go. I can't see it. There it is. All right, so the kids are pulling these tomatoes off. Go ahead and get all the ones that are purple. Yep.
What about
Okay, you
Jasmine?
want to put it in my hand? Well, we'll save some for her.
No, like what happens if the purple tomatoes without her?
Dad, here's one here.
Yeah, you can get that one up there.
So all of the purple ones.
Yeah,
So,
that one's not quite ready over there, so we'll leave that one for another couple days. With this one, I'm gonna harvest the whole little branch or cluster of tomatoes since they're all pretty much ripe.
That one.
All right, so we'll take this inside, and we've got more that'll be ready in a few more days. Oh, and we have a huge cucumber over here. We might have left this one too long on the vine. Hopefully it's not too bitter. Let's twist it off of there. Look at the size of that thing. And there's another one. Yeah, twist it. No, don't pull it. Twist it.
Daddy, can
Twist.
we take these off?
Twist.
Daddy, can we take these off?
Daddy, you touched it.
Twist. Twisting. Okay, now pull it. Pull. Whoa. Get it.
Daddy, can I take these off?
We've also got some squash that are ready to go. At least one. So I'll take that one.
Daddy, I do my squash. Daddy, that was big.
Here, hold on.
Daddy, I have an ant on it.
That's okay. There's another one in here.
Daddy, I can put
All right.
purple tomatoes in.
So we got a good little harvest today. All right, so we got a bunch of tomatoes, and you got a cucumber over there hiding, and a couple squash. All right, smile.
Cheese.